Welcome to Auto Hub Info, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the luxurious and powerful world of Audi, and in the spotlight is the 2025 Audi S8. This high-performance luxury sedan redefines sophistication, blending cutting-edge technology with thrilling performance to create a masterpiece that truly stands out in the automotive world. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Audi S8 commands attention. The signature single-frame grille has been refined with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance, complemented by the matrix LED headlights that not only look stunning but also offer superior visibility. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into the aerodynamic body, making the S8 not just a car but a statement. The sleek, flowing lines enhance its sporty appeal, while the 21-inch alloy wheels and quad exhaust tips at the rear subtly hint at the immense power lurking under the hood. Speaking of power, let's talk performance. The 2025 Audi S8 is equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S8 delivers exhilarating acceleration and unmatched stability. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans in its class. But the S8 isn't just about raw speed, it's about the experience. Audi has equipped this flagship sedan with predictive active suspension, which scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension in real time to provide a smooth yet dynamic ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through winding mountain roads, the S8 adapts seamlessly to ensure you're always in control. The dynamic steering further enhances handling, making the S8 feel surprisingly agile for a car of its size. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that epitomizes luxury. The interior of the 2025 Audi S8 is a showcase of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Sumptuous Valcona leather seats with diamond stitching provide unparalleled comfort, while the carbon fiber and aluminum inlays add a sporty touch. The ambient lighting system offers customizable colors, allowing you to set the perfect mood for any drive. Audi has truly left no stone unturned in creating a space that is both elegant and functional. The technology in the S8 is equally impressive. At the heart of the cabin is Audi's MMI touch response system, featuring dual touchscreens that control everything from navigation to climate settings. The Virtual Cockpit Plus provides a fully digital instrument cluster with stunning graphics and customizable views. And for audiophiles, the Bang & Olufsen 3D Premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio quality that makes every drive feel like a concert on wheels. Safety is another area where the S8 excels. Audi has equipped the 2025 model with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The night vision assistant uses infrared technology to detect pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions, giving you an added layer of confidence during nighttime drives. The practicality of the S8 should not be overlooked, either. Despite its sporty demeanor, it offers plenty of space for passengers and luggage. The rear seats are as luxurious as the front, with options for heated, ventilated, and even massaging functions. The trunk provides ample room for weekend getaways or business trips, ensuring that the S8 is as versatile as it is powerful. Now, let's talk about the driving modes. Audi's Drive Select system offers several modes, including Comfort, Dynamic, and Auto, allowing you to tailor the car's performance to your preference. There's also an individual mode for those who want to fine-tune every aspect of the driving experience. In Comfort mode, the S8 feels like a plush limousine, while Dynamic mode unleashes its true potential, turning it into a sports car that can rival many supercars on the road. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2025 S8 also impresses. With a mild hybrid system that helps optimize performance and reduce emissions, this luxury sedan manages to strike a balance between power and efficiency. While you're unlikely to buy an S8 for its fuel economy, it's reassuring to know that it's more eco-conscious than ever. The 2025 Audi S8 is more than just a car, it's a testament to what's possible when luxury and performance come together in perfect harmony. From its breathtaking design to its mind-blowing performance, this car has it all. Whether you're a driving enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the S8 offers an experience that's hard to match. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that delivers on all fronts, the 2025 Audi S8 deserves a spot at the top of your list. It's a car that not only meets expectations but exceeds them in ways you didn't think were possible. So, what do you think of the 2025 Audi S8? Let us know in the comments below. That wraps up our review of this incredible luxury sedan. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world, make sure to subscribe to Auto Hub Info. Hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.